Hey parents, send me your cute and funny videos of your kids dancing or singing to Mr. Oopy's songs, and I will upload my favourites for the week. I look forward to seeing your videos. Today we have Izaya. Hey there, Izaya. I just watched your video of you dancing to Mr. Oopy's song, Monster Trucks. You, my friend, are a groover, and I see a star in the making. Hey, do you know who you remind me of? Have you heard of James Brown? He was an amazing entertainer, excellent singer, but he had a very unique dance groove. Just like you, yeah. No, that's silly, but you have the grooves. Keep up the practice and see you next time. Well done, Izaya. Bye for now.